much time do you spend creating an electrical plan?
And a professional offer?
Don't forget about modifications. How about completing in maximum 1 hour the electrical plan?
The detailed and professional offer with the complete technical documentation?
uplan, as an automated electrical planning software, takes the monotonous tasks off your shoulders so you can concentrate on the exciting parts. Forget about the hassle of manual design, the untrackable modifications, the miscalculations, the cobbled together proposals in Excel. Instead, simply upload the layout, place the tools on it,
and download the automatically generated offer with documentation.
It's that simple when planning conventional electrical, Loxone or IT systems as well. Did we mention the uplanner's favorite functions? Automatic device placement, technical documentation, bill of materials. Register for the free trial and start planning.